Hello guys, today this is the new Radiomaster special series. This is the Radiomaster 2.5 and this new version is able to deliver about 400 watts at a very easily without any very flat power constant. So it delivers about 400 watt on all the FM band instead of the previous version where the power was between 350 watt to 380 watt. So as you can see here, we are now at 400 watt very easily, and this new version so offer very new standard, and it is very amazing because the temperature is very low and it's incredible, and the sound quality is amazing. So as you can see, it is very compact and this is totally impressive. And soon I'm gonna to show you something. We're gonna to see the spectrum. And also I want to show you the spectrum of a competitor transmitter, and you will see the big difference. So now we are sampling the RF signals from the transmitter, and we will see that the carrier signal is very squared, which is an indication of very high quality modulation. And as we can see, the spectrum has a very low spreading. And it is a performance that Radiomaster only provide this performance. All the competitor transmitter are much more spreading spectrum, as we will see soon. So as you can see, it is very square, very well defined spectrum, and we're going to compare with the same signals with a competitor transmitter. So this is very impressive. You see, on the minus 60 dBs, the spreading is only about 170 kilohertz. 170 kilohertz. This is pretty low, and no, all competitor transmitter doesn't do this performance. This is amazing, and now we're going to compare with a competitor transmitter. So hello guys, so now we are testing a competitor transmitter from a competitor transmitter, which is already very good brand. But we're going to compare the spectrum spreading of this transmitter versus the Radiomaster. So let's go. Oh guys, did you see what I see here? Oh God! As we can see, we can already see very easily that the spectrum is much more spread than the Radiomaster is. You see, there is spike here and here, and which meaning that there is energy spreading over unuseful frequency. That means also that this transmitter is taking much more place. Oh God, look at this, it is very different. You know, the spectrum is much more spread than the Radiomaster. This is totally incredible. As you can see here, we have frequency excursion a little lower than we make it for the Radiomaster, but even this, the spectrum is much more spread. So imagine we excurse to 90 kilohertz here and here from carrier. What will be the spectrum spreading? So as you can see, that the spectrum is much more spread. It's incredible. There is a big difference between the Radiomaster transmitter and usual transmitter. It is you cannot see this with a radio receiver, even if you broadcast at high power. But it means that the Radio Master is much more efficient in terms of broadcast efficiency, and the power is much more concentrated on the carrier frequency, and the Radio Master is taking much less place. And it also means that usual transmitter can disturb much more easily other station. Then the Radio Master is very, very clean and very narrow and very efficient. So that means the Radio Master is the best for broadcasting efficient and high power. So did you see here, we are easily at about minus 50 dB from carrier. We are easily exceeding 200 kilohertz. So you see the spectrum is very spread, and this transmitter is actually a very good one. So there is a lot of transmitters which are much more worse than this. So as you can see here, this is pretty unbelievable. So there is a big difference with the Radio Master and usual transmitter. It cannot be seen. It can be only seen with a spectrum analyzer, you know. But this is incredible to see how the difference is. So see you soon, guys, for other tests, and soon I'm gonna to show you a little surprise. Be careful, guys.